Hello everyone, welcome back to Biker Baker. In this session, I'm going to try and repair my ignition key system. So, of late I've been having this issue where my bike's indicator would not function, and if I move the key a little, or maybe just jab it here and there, then the connection would work and the indicator would start working. So I realized that there is some issue with the key system, the ignition system. Hence, I've taken the unit out. Now, what I figure out is that these are breakaway bolts, so I will have to buff off the head of the bolt, and then only I'll be able to take it out, disassemble it. The problem that I will face is once I buff it off, I will have to try and pull the old bolt out, and hopefully it's a bolt, it's not a one-piece unit. If it is going to give me a problem, then I will have a problem at hand. But what I figure is, I think these are breakaway bolts. So once I buff them, I should be able to remove the top unit and use pliers and things like that to pull the bolt out, twist them out and take them out. And let's see how that works. So right now what I've got is a buffing head. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, it's basically going to buff. I've got different varieties of buffing head. It's another one and a few more. So I'm going to slowly buff them off. Once it is disconnected and I can open the key system, I'll see how that goes. So I'll keep you guys updated. Right, so I was able to buff the heads out, and I've ended up hitting up two of these tools. But with this, I've been able to open the head, and this is the mechanism in here. Now what I've noticed is that there is a lot of corrosion. Hold on, gotta be a little careful. So this is one part, and as you can see, there's a hell lot of corrosion, which means that come what may, I will not be able to connect properly. So this is one of the reasons my bike has been giving me some issues. So I'm gonna try and see if I can take this also out, which I did. Yep, here it goes. So I'm gonna clean it up thoroughly, clean all these points, connect it, and then the next challenge comes of taking those small heads out. These are the breakaway bolts. I will have to take them out. I am hoping that it's not going to be a very difficult task. If it is, I'll have to take it to the lathe guy, drill it, put some new bolts in it. But if it's not, then I'll simply take it out and buy new screws, which will not be breakaway, of course. And once I've cleaned it thoroughly, I will put it all back together. So after using alcohol, I've been able to clean it up. Now this is how it is. Yeah, and these are the other components. Contact points are now clear. So after this, I'm hoping that there should not be any issues. Now I'm gonna start working on removing these two bolts. Hopefully successful. If not, for the time being, I will have to find another way to fix it. I don't know. Let me try. I think I should be able to manage it. So taking out the screws happened very easily. I'm so happy. These are the two screws. Now what I need to do is find replacements. Small size, maybe I don't know, it's probably half an inch. Two screws, half-inch length, and 3 mm or 5 mm. I'm not so sure. I'll have to check. I might have some screws. I'll just check. And it just happened using monkey wrench, monkey plier, or I don't know, I really don't remember the name. So anyway, but yeah, easy job. Alright guys, so now I'm going to test the work that I've done on the key system. So I've got the triple clamp along with me, the key system is attached. I've put 2 new screws to it. Let me just see if I can focus on it. Yeah, 2 new screws, flat heads, which make it nice and tight. Connected the key, put the bike on. Now I need to check if my indicators start working, because that was the first problem that I used to face. Yes, indicators are working. Check the lights. Yeah, lights are working too. Yeah, so seems to be that my work that I have done on the key system is working. All the contacts have been clamped. Thin coat of Vaseline or petroleum jelly has been put over there to see if I can, keep it from getting corroded easily during the monsoon. The key system has become smooth because I have lubed the movement part also, so it's much smoother. Now I'll put it back on. There's quite a lot of mess here that I need to work on, but yeah, I'll put it back on, and next ride I should know if it's working perfectly alright or not. So I will hope that this fixes my problem, and if anybody else who's facing the similar problems can go ahead and do this. You don't need to spend 30,000 rupees just to get this thing fixed. Happy riding, be safe.